Welcome! If you want to turn on and customize Always On Display in your Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite, at first you have to go for the Play Store and get Muviz Edge application. In this smartphone we don't have that option, so we can use the external application. So let's install that simple and totally free application from the Play Store. Right now we can simply open it. And right now we have to click to record audio and accept permissions. The same for the draw over other apps. Tap on the switcher and then just go back. Select overlay mode and click to get started. Now click on the AOD screen in the right bottom corner. Click that we got it. And when you swipe on the right, we can find the three different themes. I'm going to apply this one. Click on the apply, and when you tap on the right upper corner on the settings icon, you can also customize that always on display feature. So you can get it always, or while charging only on the music, you can decide. You can close the always on display by double tap or the single tap. You can also close after using the fingerprint. You can change brightness level, screen timeout, so I'm going to get it permanently. We can also enable notifications. Tap on the switcher, click allow, then just go back. We can also control music, so let's get it always on the screen. We can show date, get the status battery as always, and basically that's all. After that, when we turn off this application, we can lock the screen and take a look. Right now, here we got the always on display on our Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite. When you tap on the screen once, it will be turned off and you are able to open your device. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.